Hello everyone and welcome back to Compare It. Today we are exploring the top 50 biggest cities in Sweden by population in 2026. Known for its breathtaking natural landscapes, modern cities, high quality of life and innovative economy, Sweden is home to over 10.6 million people. From the vibrant capital of Stockholm to charming northern communities, every city has its own unique identity. Let's begin our countdown from number 50 all the way to number 1. At number 50, Upplands Väsby has a population of 52,000 and is a rapidly growing municipality just north of Stockholm. Number 49 is Kungälv with 52,060 residents, known for the historic Bohus Fortress. At number 48, Hässleholm reaches 52,150 people and serves as an important railway hub. Number 47, Sigtuna has 54,550 residents and is famous as Sweden's oldest surviving town. At number 46, Onskolsvik records 55,210 people and is surrounded by beautiful high coast scenery. Number 45 is Uddevalla with 57,150 residents located along Sweden's scenic west coast. At number 44, Sundbyberg reaches 58,030 people and is one of Sweden's most densely populated municipalities. Number 43, Skövde has 58,670 residents and is known for its manufacturing and technology industries. At number 42, Trollhättan records 58,960 people and has a strong automotive heritage. Number 41 is Nyköping with 59,080 residents, a historic coastal city south of Stockholm. At number 40, Falun has a population of 60,180 and is famous for its UNESCO-listed copper mine. Number 39 is Gotland with 61,510 residents, Sweden's largest island and a popular tourist destination. At number 38, Östersund reaches 65,510 people and is known as the gateway to the Swedish mountains. Number 37, Karlskrona has 66,190 residents and features a UNESCO World Heritage Naval Base. At number 36, Norrtälje records 68,190 people and is popular for its beautiful archipelago setting. We've now reached the top 35. Which Swedish city would you most like to visit? Let us know in the comments and don't forget to subscribe for more rankings and comparisons. At number 35, Varberg has 71,000 residents and is famous for its beaches and historic fortress. Number 34 is Mölndal with 72,140 people located just south of Gothenburg. At number 33, Kalmar reaches 74,050 residents and is home to the impressive Kalmar Castle. Number 32, Sollentuna has 79,310 people and forms part of the Greater Stockholm metropolitan area. At number 31, Luleå records 80,250 residents and serves as northern Sweden's largest city. At number 30, Täby reaches 80,310 people and is one of Stockholm's fastest growing suburbs. Number 29 is Skellefteå with 80,560 residents, recognized for its expanding green technology sector. At number 28, Kungsbacka has 86,350 people and continues to attract families due to its high quality of life. Number 27, Kristianstad reaches 86,630 residents and is surrounded by beautiful wetlands. At number 26, Solna records 87,250 people and is home to Sweden's national football stadium. At number 25, Järfälla has 92,790 residents and continues to grow as part of Greater Stockholm. Number 24 is Botkyrka with 96,410 people. At number 23, Sundsvall reaches 98,890 residents and has a rich industrial history. Number 22, Karlstad records 99,800 people and lies beautifully along the shores of Lake Vänern. At number 21, Växjö surpasses 100,120 residents and is recognized as one of Europe's greenest cities. At number 20, Gävle has 104,380 residents and is famous for its giant Christmas goat tradition. Number 19 is Södertälje with 104,560 people, an important industrial city and home to major manufacturing companies. At number 18, Haninge reaches 104,810 residents and offers easy access to Stockholm's stunning archipelago. Number 17, Eskilstuna records 107,410 people and is known for sustainable urban development. At number 16, Halmstad has 107,440 residents. At number 15, Huddinge reaches 114,870 residents and is one of Stockholm County's largest municipalities. Number 14 is Nacka with approximately 115,000 people. At number 13, Borås has 115,530 residents and is widely recognized for its textile industry. Number 12, Lund reaches 134,400 people and is home to one of Scandinavia's oldest universities. At number 11, Umeå records 136,400 residents. At number 10, Norrköping has 145,830 residents and combines historic architecture with modern development. Number 9 is Jönköping with 150,340 people, beautifully located at the southern end of Lake Vättern. At number 8, Helsingborg reaches 153,770 residents and serves as a major gateway to Denmark. Number 7, Örebro records 162,020 people. At number 6, Västerås has 163,400 residents and remains one of Sweden's leading industrial and technology centers. At number 5, Linköping reaches 170,040 residents. Known for its thriving aerospace industry and prestigious university. Number 4 is Uppsala with 255,540 residents. Famous for Sweden's oldest university. At number 3, Malmö has a population of 374,920 people. Connected to Denmark by the iconic Öresund Bridge. At number 2, Gothenburg reaches 622,170 residents as Sweden's second largest city. And finally, at number 1, Stockholm stands as Sweden's largest city with a population of approximately 1,004,000 people. Built across numerous islands connected by beautiful bridges, Stockholm serves as Sweden's political, economic, and cultural capital. It is internationally recognized for innovation, sustainability, world-class museums, and exceptional quality of life, making it one of Europe's most admired cities. These were the top 50 biggest cities in Sweden by population in 2026. Which Swedish city impressed you the most and which one would you love to visit someday? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more rankings, comparisons, and fascinating facts from around the world. Thanks for watching Compare It, and we'll see you in the next video.